No, I can't dance. I only feel happy seeing others dance. Dancing is not meant for me. Men can't dance because so and so. In our community, women can't dance because so and so. And you must have heard so many such reasons for people not to dance. Or probably you must have used one of them, right? But let's decode today what dancing is actually. Dancing is nothing but the rhythmic movement of body on a particular rhythm or song. Like you generally, if you just move your body, it is movement, it's probably exercise. But dancing is where you move your body based on a particular music, a particular rhythm. But of course, it brings a good physical activity. It makes you more agile, more vibrant. It is scientifically proven that the more movement you do in your body, the better it is for you. You will live for a longer life, you'll live a healthier life, and all that. So, that is the physical advantage that you get from dancing. But even more than that, what people do not emphasize on is the mental advantage of doing dance. Because we have been always brought up in a society where we have been put into foundations and limitations. Don't do this or that will happen, don't do that or this will happen, and so many things. Dancing, one of them, that okay, you can dance probably when you're young as a kid, you look cute, you look sweet, but then who dances when you grow old, when you become an adult? No, dancing is just for fun. Yes, it is for fun, but a very important thing that dancing does is it rewires your brain. It helps you in growing mentally. Now you'll ask why. Because you have been denied to do it for such a long time in your life. You have been bound into those shackles where you have been said that dancing is not meant for adults. You are at a particular stage in your life. You just can't be goofy and dance around like this, like that. But the moment you break all those beliefs and start dancing, start embracing the movements that you have. You need not be a dancer, a trained dancer. Ever since childhood, you have been dancing. You can do it at any point in life. You can start it at any point in life. But the moment you do that, you are actually breaking that mental wiring, that matrix that you have been put into. As a kid, as an adult, you have been put into different boxes that okay, you can only dance if you wish to, until so much times. So many times a boy, a man is not even allowed to dance because it's not a manly thing, and so many such restrictions. So when you break those and when you embrace dancing whatever way you can, if you are making an effort, you're actually rewiring your brain and putting it into a state where you are telling your brain that you're not supposed to follow the age old norms that have been taught without any logical reasoning. Because, as I said, it has been proven scientifically that dancing improves you health wise. It keeps you healthy, it keeps you agile, it keeps you moving, and it keeps you happy, right? Because you are not doing something that someone has forced you to do, but you're doing something that you want to do, that you like to do, that you're finding joy in doing. So you are actually rewiring your brain and you are enjoying the process. And that way, the happy hormones are released in your body and it keeps you even more fitter. So, the physical aspect of dancing is great, no doubt about it. But the mental advantage of dancing is even more bigger, it's manifold. But we sadly do not look at dancing as a very effective way of expressing ourselves, as a very effective way of staying healthy, both physically and mentally. And I think that is one of the core reason why I am starting this Bollywood Soul Tribe, wherein I want more and more people to join the community. You can call it the community of rebels, the community of logical people, the community of people who want to dance, who want to express, who just want to enjoy it, the process of dancing. And that is why it's Bollywood dancing from 2000s and before. Because if you notice, the dancing today is kind of very difficult. Not anyone and everyone can try it. But the dancing that used to happen then was more rhythmic, was more expression based, was more simpler, that anyone can attempt it. And finally, what is our motive? Are we gonna go and perform on a big stage? Yeah, you may perform in a function or something, but Finally, the motive of dancing is the happiness that you get, that, oh, I did this. For one entire minute, I danced. On this song, I danced. Oh my god, this is my childhood song, my favorite song. I never thought I would dance on this ever, and today I'm doing that. That sense of achievement, that sense of victory is gonna make you feel even more happier, more confident, more connected to yourself, because, of course, nostalgia, old songs. And overall, it will create a huge impact on your personality. Of course, it goes not just with dancing, but with anything that you do new by breaking the barriers. But I think why I chose dancing, because it's easy. You don't need to go to a particular place. You can just practice it at your home, or at at a rehearsal hall if you have one, or you can just do it with your friends. So it's that easy. Just at the comfort of your home, you are able to bring about this huge difference in your life. Isn't it interesting? Isn't it amazing? Have you ever thought of dancing in this context ever before? Write in the comments that how your perspective about dancing changed after watching this video, and now how do you look at dancing, especially Bollywood dancing. Okay, I'll be waiting for your comments. Thank you.